how to buy Aether token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. Now after that, go and open this token index screener. It's available there. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. As you can see, the liquidity here is 99%. Look, that's mean your investment in the safe place. Now as you can see, this token is under Solana network. Now just go and copy the token of this and open your Phantom wallet. Now click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. After that, click here and paste the token address as you can see, and this is our token. Just click on it. Now here, enter how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will receive that token. Now for the provider, just click on it and select one of these, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information here. Now click on swap and it will be redirected to Jupiter provider to be able to buy this token. Now if you face any issues, just go back to this page and switch the slip hash from here or custom it. After that, you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the Aether token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.